Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and it is unboxing time. So I am excited as always. I love getting this new stuff. It's new stuff to play with. So let's just dive right in. Boxy Charm. So this is the July Boxy Charm. And let's take a look at what we got. So this month's theme is fantasy. So let's take a look. Hoping for a lot of cute like aquatic stuff. So first thing that I see is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. So it says that it's an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free, pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, I'm probably mispronouncing that, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. I don't remember what month, but I know a couple of months ago I got a toner in my Boxy Charm from this brand, and I love it. I'm gonna I just want to see if it smells good. Oh, this is like really hard to get off. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I mean, it's just a very nice clean, which with a cleanser, obviously, like, that's what I want. So I'm actually super excited to try something else from Pharmacy, because like I said, got their toner a couple months ago, loved it, so I'm excited to try something else. And by the way, this is $28 retail. So next, Generation Skin hydrating marine algae eye patches. I kind of have a confession to make. I've gotten a little addicted to eye patches. They're great just to kind of lay down after a long week or hard day and just use them. So okay, let's see what this says. So marine algae is straight from the sea skincare Savior Dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around eyes, it helps firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else for a dewier, fresher looking peepers. Let's see. So there are 30 pairs in here, which is really cool because usually I buy like a little bag and there's like one in there. So comes with this little scoop, which is going to be really good to get them out, and then they're just in there and it smells really good. I cannot wait to try those. These are $49.99, which honestly, I said what, there's 30 in here, so you could literally use this every single day for a month, which would be a little overkill in my opinion. But I mean, even if say you use this, obviously got to store it very well, use one once a week and it could almost get you through a year. So that's not a bad price in my opinion. All right, so let's see what else we got. All right, $1 Billion Brows Micro Brow Pencil. So $1 Billion Brows Brow on Point Micro Pencil, and it's in taupe, which looks like a very just dark brown. When precision matters, this Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and create hair-like strokes for natural looking eyebrows. So I actually don't have anything on my brows, and I don't normally do a brow pencil. I might do some gel, but outlets. Okay, so it's a very fine point. Okay, I'm not going to do too much because obviously okay. I mean, I can tell like a tiny bit, but obviously like I need a mirror, and it does have a brush. Okay, so I mean, obviously I need a mirror, but yeah, I mean, that's kind of cool. So this is $16. So that will be fun to play with. All right. Next we have Beauty Bakery flower setting powder. And I don't know if you can really tell, but this is like a little flower bag, which is super cute. Great marketing in my opinion. So finely milled oat translucent flower setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. Will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. So that's what came in it. And honestly, like when I saw the bag, I was really hoping like it wasn't in the bag, that it was this. So very happy about that. So I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to make like a huge mess. So you can kind of see, you've got like the powder will come out. This does rotate. There is tape on here, so again, I'm not going to do that. But this is $24. So I'm excited to try that, like just that it's made with oats. So kind of, you know, little more natural. So I feel like that's what this theme is. It's not just fantasy like from the sea. This is kind of just like a little natural vibe. All right. So last but not least, Outre 8-in-1 plus CBD multi-purpose nutrient styling aid. So, all right. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and shine. That's cool. All right. So I'm not... Okay, so it's like a fine little mist. It actually smells really nice. Like, I'm not sure what that is. And it is like a little solid in here, so I feel like at the end, like, I might have to add a little bit of water just to kind of get that last little bit. But yeah, like, I'm kind of digging that. All right. So that is $30. And that's everything in the box. All right. So we are going to calculate everything that it was. So we have the Pharmacy Whipped Greens cleanser. That was $28. We have the Beauty Bakery flower setting powder. That was $24. I just have to tell you guys, like, all I'm smelling is the hair stuff, and it smells so good. All right. All right. The Skin Generation Algae Eye Patches. Generation Skin. Those are $49.99. All right. And then we have the Outre 8-in-1 leave-in conditioner. That's $30. And last but not least, the brow pencil from Billion Dollar Brows, and that's $16. So it comes up to a total of $147.99 for the entire box. And as I've mentioned in other videos, It's like $49.99 a month for this box. So I've basically gotten almost $150 worth of product. And of course, I get to split this with my mom. That way I'm not overloaded with stuff. So it's really great. But I have to say, I kind of want to keep this whole box to myself. This, I feel like, is a really nice box. So we'll see what happens. But if you guys get Boxy Charm, let me know in the comments below. What did you get this month? What is your favorite? And as always, like and subscribe for more. We definitely will have some more unboxing here shortly. All right, guys, as always, have a magical day. Hakuna Matata.